Samsung recently unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Galaxy Z Flip 4 foldable phones, and the next high-end smartphones from the Korean giant will unveil are the Galaxy S23 devices, expected to arrive in January or February. The Galaxy S23 series will include an Ultra model which, according to a new rumor, will feature Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanning sensor. This is not a new sensor though, we have already seen it on iQOO 9 Pro and Vivo X80 Pro, meaning the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a faster fingerprint reader having a larger scanning area. We have used both the Vivo X80 Pro and iQOO 9 Pro and we are quite impressed with the accuracy and speed of the fingerprint scanner. That said, it's unclear if Samsung will use this new fingerprint scanner on all the Galaxy S23 smartphones or if it will only be available on the Galaxy S23 Ultra that will get an upgrade. We will hopefully find that out in the upcoming months.